Oh, hey there. How's it going? I'm just doing a little quarantine cooking here. A lot of people have been asking me how I'm doing because I've been sick for about 4 to 5 weeks, something like that. Deathly ill for a few days. But I'm recovering nicely, just trying to keep resting, which is pretty hard 'cause I'm used to doing a lot of hardcore things like chopping wood, mountain stuff, manly things, which has really helped me grow this nice quarantine beard. Um, One of my secrets for beard growth is eating a raw onion. If you're not into raw onions, you might want to try something different like this magnificent beard oil that I got from Bohemia Natural down in Albuquerque. All natural ingredients. It says man with great beard oil. I really like this because it doesn't have a lot of perfume in it, just some essential oils and oils that are good for your beard. It also says that this oil will make you want to snuggle up to that otherwise scratchy beard, and it also functions as a cologne. I don't really wear cologne. I usually just rely on my natural man scents, I guess, which doesn't seem to be working all that well. So I thought I'd give this a shot. It also says on here, you'll be beating them off with a stick. I haven't had that problem yet, so I mean, I'm hopeful. You know, a guy can dream. But anyway, great product. Check it out. It really help you out. All right, I'm gonna get back to cooking. Have a good one. You have to do manly things. I like to bathe it with walrus blubber. Really helps for the growth. Tanning my own bison hide at home without the proper equipment. Operating a chainsaw. Taking a bath in a river or a lake with ice when there's snow on the ground. Taming a wild Mustang, not by breaking its spirit, but by gaining its trust. Things like trapping for beaver, taking their pelts, making yourself a hat when you're outside and it's cold and there's an icicle hanging, you know, from your beard or from your nose, that sort of stuff. By eating a raw onion. Riding wheelies on my dirt bike, working on engines. I like to build things like with sawdust and power tools, you know, that sort of stuff. That really helps. It really works well. Climbing mountains with little gear. Doing push-ups in the snow. Like learning to play the guitar just to write her a love song. Nutritious and delicious. It's also helping me grow this magnificent quarantine beard I have going on here.